everyone. We got this Bissell CrossWave Premier vacuum that apparently is top-notch if you've got pets, with or without them. So you can do multi-surfaces. Obviously you can do wood, tile, laminates, and you can also do rugs. So want to do a unboxing video so you all can see kind of what's in the box and what to expect when you get this. I believe this was picked up at one of the Costco's or Sam's Clubs type groups. Obviously when you get in here you've got all your stuff to fill out for warranty work, but you've also got multiple surface liquids. You've got this one's multi-surface with Febreze, CrossWave, spin wave. You've got formulas to sanitize, and we also have this little gadget, which I'm not really sure what you do with it, but it's in the box. Looks like we got some brushes as well for the bottom when you start to clean. And then getting into the meat of it, you've got your base for whenever you get ready to set it up. You've got your handle, obviously to get her engaged as well. We've got some more fluids in here, some more multi-surface fluids as well. Looks like we've got a different flavor. It comes with a, looks like a HEPA filter. Here's what does all your cleaning. Obviously you're going to mix this up. It's got a thing on the back for small area, large area. So if you just want to do a quick clean and clean some carpet or clean some small surface areas. We've got our accessories. I bet you all want to know what's in your accessory box. So this one, it looks like it's a different brush than the other two. So it's got, this would be for carpets. It's got your hard, coarse carpet cleaning as well. So you've got one of those. And then we're going to pull out the Mean Machine cleaning unit. Here we go. So obviously you've got plenty of cord. Take a look at that cord. Once we open this up, we've got the unit itself. So as we said, this is going to sit on the base for whenever you're not using it, in case anything leaks out. We've got our handle to get in gauged. It's all set. Give you a closer look at the unit. This looks like it's going to be to clean everything out. There's your filter. You've got your cleaning area. Looks like you can just get that dumped out once you're done cleaning. Here's the underside of it. Here's where your cleaning solution would go. You would be good to go. We haven't used this yet, obviously, but we have heard very good things from some people with it, and we got it to try out with our pets and everything. So wanted to give you an idea what all is included in it, and that way if you are thinking about buying it, you know what's in the box. And this looks like to put your solution in so it doesn't leak as well. It'll go over the thing, and you can set your solution in it. So alright, man, I appreciate y'all checking us out today. If you have any questions, leave them in the bottom. If you would subscribe, we've got some more stuff coming out for you we'd like to share, and we'll talk to you soon.